It's getting dark outside early. It's not supposed to. It's not early. It's 6:25. What is up, my peoples? Where we at? We in the whispering room. So, y'all ready? I would be the baby whisper, and we are in the whispering room. Welcome to my channel. And if you're on TikTok, this is my sneak peek for those of you as we're getting ready to change life over. Alrighty. We are preparing for never settling. So tonight you're going to get you're going to get 3 videos if you're on TikTok and 5 if you're on YouTube. And it's going to hit you real good. So check out our channel over on YouTube. It is Whisper If You Hear Me. Everything says Whisper If You Hear Me. And if you are looking for the tag, I believe it's underneath my full entire name, Yvonne, the Baby Whisperer, Williams-Madden. So I got something for you. You ready for this? Let's talk about transformation, and let's talk about knowing your self-worth and your self-determination as we enter the savage room. But first, let's talk about words. Words are very important. It is the art of our tavern of self. And as we use the words as yarn to thread together the security, self-determination, self-love, we understand the building blocks of ourself. Spring cleaning is not merely a seasonal chore. It's transformed into a profound journey of self-discovery and empowerment, reflecting the essence of life's constant renewal and the pursuit of self-worth. The ritualistic act extends far beyond the physical realm of scrubbing floors and dusting shelves. It symbolizes a deliberate commitment to reclaiming control over our lives and nurturing our inner sanctuaries. As we navigate through the labyrinth of clutter accumulated over time, we are confronted not only with the material possessions, but also with the remnants of past experience, emotions, and self-perceptions. With each item sorted, each surface polished, we engage in a sacred dialogue with ourselves, confronting the layers of our existence with courage and intent. In the process of spring cleaning, we confront our fears, doubts, and insecurities, choosing to let go of that which no longer serves us. Just as we discard outdated belongings, we release limiting beliefs and negative patterns of thought, creating a space for growth, healing, and transformation. This act is a liberation. It's not merely about tidying our external environments, but about decluttering the recesses and recess of our minds, purging the mental debris that obstructs our path to self-realization. Through these introspective journey, we rekindle the flame of self-worth, recognizing our inherent value of deservingness of our life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Spring cleaning becomes a metaphorical pilgrimage, guiding us back to the essence of our being and reminding us of our intricate power to shape our destinies. With each drawer emptied, each corner illuminated, we shed the layers of societal expectations and external validations, embracing the truth of our authentic selves. In the midst of chaos and uncertainty, we discover an oasis of clarity. And the art of spring cleaning, we embark on a sacred quest of self-discovery, forging a deeper relationship with ourselves and the world around us. Baby Whisper, that was a lot. See, we always think that everything we do in life has nothing to do with the other. But I just gave you a brand new way to look at spring cleaning. As you clean your house for spring cleaning, don't forget to clean your minds, your body, and your spirit of spring cleaning. And this springtime, we get ready to rejuvenate and grow new things. Don't forget to grow yourself. It's the Baby Whisper and the Whisper Movement, the Savage Room, and Whispering Words. I need all of you to do me a favor. Whisper to yourself, I am enough.